Everyone thinks Elon Musk launches new projects to change the world, but what if I told you his new AI encyclopedia, Grokipedia, isn't revolutionizing anything? It's just another headline grab? I've looked into how it really works, what users are saying, and why it might be Musk's most meaningless launch yet. So let's get into it. Let's begin first with what Grokipedia is supposed to be. The idea, at least on paper, is simple. An encyclopedia, written and maintained by AI. You type in a topic, and Grok, the same chatbot integrated into X, formerly Twitter, writes an entry using what it claims is verified information. No human bias, no moderators, no edit wars, no fundraising banners begging for donations. Just facts, served clean and fast by AI. That's the making of the narrative. Musk as the savior of online truth. He has been repeatedly critical of Wikipedia over the years, claiming that it is politically biased and was controlled by a small group of editors that push their own agendas. So Grokipedia arrives as the supposed fix, an AI capable of instant, objective knowledge generation, free of bias. It's being pitched as the next evolution of information itself, powered by Grok's massive data processing capabilities. But here's where the narrative breaks hard, because when you actually use Grokipedia, the cracks are impossible to miss. First off, it's tiny. There are only a handful of articles available right now, and many of them read suspiciously similar to the Wikipedia entries they're supposedly replacing. Some even seem like lightly rewritten versions, with the same structure and phrasing intact. It's almost ironic. Musk's AI encyclopedia, which claims to move beyond Wikipedia, seems to be borrowing from it. There's also the quality issue. With no human editors or peer review, fact-checking in the system is mostly algorithmic in nature. That means it is only as good as the data it was trained on, which, in AI parlance, often means the same open web, riddled with biases, errors, and misinformation. The irony does hurt. Musk criticizes Wikipedia for being biased, yet his AI ends up regurgitating the same material. Only this time, with fewer sources and less transparency. And let's be honest, this has little to do with fixing how information works online. It's about relevance. Musk built his empire as much on innovation as he did on attention. Every few months, he launches something, a new AI tool, a robot teaser, a Mars update, or some flashy demo to make sure his name dominates the conversation. Grokipedia fits right into that pattern. It's less a genuine attempt to improve knowledge sharing, and more a PR maneuver designed to say, look, Elon's doing it again. Even the timing of its launch says it all. It launched quietly, with no robust dataset, no community input, and no roadmap. It feels like a half-baked product dropped early just to make headlines. Compare that against Wikipedia's decades-long evolution. Millions of editors, strict citation policies, transparent revisions, and a culture of collaboration. Grokipedia essentially replaces that human system with a black box that says trust the AI, but trust is earned, not declared. And that's the deeper problem. Grokipedia isn't solving anything new, just recycling an old idea with a trendy AI twist. It doesn't give users more access to knowledge. It gives them less. You can't verify sources, you can't edit entries, and you can't see who contributed what. It's like Wikipedia without the community, which means without the accountability. The sad part is that the concept in itself could have succeeded if done properly. Imagine an AI encyclopedia which partnered with human editors and, while doing the fact-checking with much speed, kept the context and accuracy. That would be revolutionary. Instead, Grokipedia skips the hard part, the human oversight, and replaces it with hype. So yes, Grokipedia exists, and yes, it will get headlines. Musk's fans will call it visionary, his critics will call it pointless, and the internet will move on to the next big Musk reveal in a few weeks. Maybe a new Grok model, maybe something for X, maybe a Tesla AI assistant. The cycle continues. Ultimately, Grokipedia isn't about information, it's about image. What this whole episode has shown is that Elon Musk doesn't have to build the best product to dominate the conversation. He just has to build something to keep him in it. This time, that something is an encyclopedia with fewer articles, less originality, and a lot more noise.